There's a language that the universe speaks. It isn't made of words, but energy. Every thought, feeling, and intention you send out becomes part of that vibration. And tarot cards are one of the most beautiful ways to listen to what the universe is trying to tell you. Each shuffle, each draw, is not random. It's alignment. A mirror reflecting your soul's energy and the divine rhythm of the cosmos. The universe doesn't speak in sentences, it communicates through symbols, emotions, synchronicities, and signs. When you hold a tarot deck in your hands, you're tuning into that frequency. Each card represents an aspect of human experience, love, fear, growth, transformation, just like the cycles of the universe itself. The moment you pull a card, you're creating a bridge between your energy and the cosmic flow. It's not about predicting the future, it's about understanding your alignment with it. Your tarot deck becomes an extension of your intuition. It absorbs your energy, your questions, and your emotional frequency. When you shuffle with intention, you're inviting your higher self to speak through the cards. The connection between you and the universe deepens because tarot gives form to what you already feel but cannot yet explain. Every reading is a conversation, not with fate, but with the divine part of you that's always guiding your path. Tarot reflects the same universal principles that govern everything: balance, cause and effect, light and shadow, action and consequence. The Justice card reminds you that energy always returns. The Fool shows that every beginning starts with trust. The Wheel of Fortune reflects how the universe is constantly turning, shifting, evolving, and so are you. The cards don't just tell stories. They show you how the laws of the universe live within you. When life feels uncertain, tarot helps you return to flow, to realign your energy with divine timing. It's a reminder that everything is connected, even the moments that seem confusing or chaotic. Through tarot, you learn to trust signs, follow intuition, and make decisions guided by higher awareness. The more you listen, the more the universe speaks back, through synchronicities, dreams, or even repeating cards. Tarot isn't outside you, it's within you. The deck simply helps you hear what your soul already knows. Take a moment to breathe deeply. Place your hand over your heart and imagine a light connecting you to the universe. Repeat these affirmations. I am connected to the divine energy that flows through all things. I trust the messages that come through intuition and symbols. The universe guides me with love, clarity, and purpose. My tarot readings are sacred conversations with the divine. The next time you sit down with your tarot deck, remember, it's not just a reading. It's a dialogue between your soul and the universe. Every card, every symbol, every message is a whisper from the divine, reminding you, you are never disconnected. You are always guided. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more spiritual readings and cosmic insights. Until next time, keep your heart open and your energy aligned.